Once the tire is dismounted from the rim, the next job is to carefully remove the sensor from the base of the valve. Keep the sensor safe as we will need this later. Attach a valve puller to the thread of the valve to hold it in place, and using a skiving knife, carefully cut through the base of the valve. Once ready, simply pull the valve through the rim to remove it. Identify the correct replacement valve. For this valve, we have a fastening torque of 1.4 Nm for the screw. Orientate the base of the new valve so that it fits into the sensor securely. Attach the self-tapping screw found in the packet and fasten this to 1.4 Nm using a low-torque TPMS wrench. Wait for the torque tool to indicate that the correct torque has been reached. With the valve now securely fastened to the sensor, it's time to fit the assembly to the rim. Simply pass the valve through the rim hole, remove the valve cap, and keep this safe. Attach a TPMS valve puller to the threaded end of the valve. Pull the valve into place, ensuring a secure seating in the rim. When pulling the valve through, it is important to pitch the angle correctly. The valve must travel straight through the rim, but may also need to avoid snagging on any humps around the inside of the valve hole. If the valve is installed at an incorrect angle, excessive force may be required to attempt to seat the valve properly, which can result in mechanical failure of the valve. If you find that valves are hard to install, you may apply a small amount of approved tire lubricant to the valve stem. You are now ready to fit the tire, balance the wheel and fit back to the vehicle in the relevant wheel position.